Hey, what's up my beautiful audience? Welcome back to Warmisco. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a demo applications at Play Store. So let's gonna introduce you step by step tutorial. Alright, so you can see that I'm right now at my Google search engine interface. So I'm gonna type here Play Console. So just type Play Console and hit on the enter button, and that's it. Now you can see that I'm right now in on the search bar, and we need to click on that, and yep, that's it. Now click on the go to Play Console. Okay, so as soon as we click on the Play Console option, so you can see that I'm right now in my Play Console or developer account. Actually, that's not my personal developer account, it's my client developer account. So I'm gonna show you on that developer account. So just click on the developer account name, and yep, now loading Google Play Console. Alright, so guys, you can see that I already here published one applications for my client. So I'm gonna create a video just to how to create an app at Play Console. So you can see here create app. Okay, just click on the button create app, and then we need to type here our application's name. We can type here any of them, such that I'm gonna type it now demo. We can change it anytime before send it to review. All right, so I'm gonna type here demo, and you can see here you can change this later in store settings. So it's probably my apps, so I'm gonna type on the app option, and you can see here you can edit this later on the paid app or free apps. So as my application's free, there is no purchase system, so I'm gonna type here free, and yep, we need to check mark the term option, and then yep, it's done. You can see here create app. That's it. Just click on the create app option, and you can see that I already created a demo application.